Question number 1. Swaraj as a national demand was first made by? Answer D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 2. The crop most susceptible to frost is? Answer B. Black gram. Question number 3. The maximum fixation of solar energy is done by? Answer B. Green plants. Question number 4. The botanical name of wheat plant is? Answer D. Triticum vulgare. Question number 5. DDT is an? Answer D. Insecticides. Question number 6. The alcohol used in the preparation of dynamite is? Answer A. Glycerol. Question number 7. Where is the Indian Forest Research located? Answer D. Dehradun. Question number 8. Meghalaya state was created on? Answer D. 1972. Question number 9. Which variety of glass is heat resistant? Answer A. Pyrex glass. Question number 10. Jaldapara Sanctuary is located in? Answer D. West Bengal. Question number 11. Which continent is known as dark continent? Answer D. Africa. Question number 12. Which of the following gas causes heart disease? Answer C. Carbon monoxide. Question number 13. The Asiatic Society was established in Calcutta by? Answer A. Sir William Jones. Question number 14. Delhi became the capital of India in? Answer A. 1911. Question number 15. The judges of Supreme Court can be removed by? Answer C. Parliament. Question number 16. Sambar Lake is situated in? Answer B. Rajasthan. Question number 17. The smallest union territory is? Answer C. Lakshadweep. Question number 18. Atmospheric humidity is measured by? Answer C. Psychrometer. Question number 19. What is the name of the nuclear reactor at Tromboy? Answer B. Apsara. Question number 20. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Answer C. Sea water.